Good morning, students. In today's science class, we will do measurement of temperature. The instrument used to measure temperature is called a thermometer. There are different kinds of thermometer like clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer. First, we will take up the clinical thermometer. The commonly used clinical thermometer is made up of a narrow tube of thick glass. At the end of the capillary tube is a thin glass bulb filled with mercury. Mercury is preferred in thermometers because it is present in liquid state over a wide range of temperatures. It is a silvery gray in color, therefore it is relatively easy to observe. It does not stick to the glass in which it is enclosed. The scale in a clinical thermometer extends over a few degrees on either side of the normal body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. It can measure temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer is marked to indicate a small change of 0.2 degree Celsius. The capillary tube of a clinical thermometer has a kink or bend that does not allow the mercury to flow back into the bulb before the temperature has been read. To lower the level of mercury, the thermometer has to be given a firm jerk. While using a clinical thermometer, the following precautions should be taken. The thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. The thermometer should be read keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. It should be handled with care. The bulb of the thermometer should not be touched while taking a reading. Hold the thermometer by its glass body. It should be ensured that before use, the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Next thermometer is digital thermometer. Nowadays, digital thermometers are used to measure body temperature. They work on tiny dry cells. It is safer device because it does not contain mercury, which is a toxic substance. Third one is laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is made up of a glass tube. It has a glass work with mercury, which on gaining heat rises in the glass capillary of the tube. The range of temperature that laboratory thermometer can measure is between minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The following are some precautions to be taken while using a laboratory thermometer. Handle the thermometer with care. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while taking a reading. The thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Removing the thermometer from a boiling water bath and immediately immersing it in an ice bath may cause the thermometer to break. Now next topic is the temperature scale. Temperature is measured using different temperature scale. In a temperature scale, two reference temperatures are chosen, most commonly the freezing and boiling point of water. The commonly used scales are the Celsius scale, the Fahrenheit scale and the Kelvin scale. Celsius scale. Around 1743, Anders Celsius invented the Celsius scale. He determined the freezing temperature for water to be 0 degree and the boiling temperature at 100 degrees. There are 100 divisions between these 2 points. Fahrenheit scale. This scale was developed by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. The unit of this scale is degree F. On this scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the boiling point of water is taken as 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale. This scale was invented by Lord Kelvin. The unit of the scale is K. On this scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 273 Kelvin and the boiling point of water is taken as 373 Kelvin. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.